Let's learn our ABC. Come on, friends. 1, 2, 3, let's go! A, it's for!
A is for apple, A, apple. B is for balloon, balloon. C is for cupcake, C, cupcake. D is for dinosaur, D, dinosaur. E is for elephant,
E, elephant.
Oh! ABC is fun to say, learning letters every day. Sing with me, shout it out loud, join the ABC happy crowd. Oh! F is for fire, F for fire. G is for guitar, G, guitar. H is for helicopter, H, helicopter. I is for ink cake, I, ink cake. J is for jellyfish, J, jellyfish. Oh! K is for kangaroo, K, kangaroo. L is for lollipop, L, lollipop. M is for monster, M, monster. N is for noser, N, noser. O is for octopus, O, octopus.
Clap your hands!
Clap, 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 we are halfway there. Let's sing the rest! P is for popcorn, P, popcorn. Q is for queenie, Q, queenie. R is for robot, R, robot. S is for superhero, S, superhero. T is for training, T, training. U is for unicorn, U, unicorn. V is for venom, V, venom. W is for watermelon, W, watermelon. X is for Xmas, Xmas tree. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zebra, Z, zebra. Now we know our ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yeah!
Giggles! Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Yay! Let's learn the ABCs.
A, B, C. Come along and sing with me. Learning is as easy as can be. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat, mer. D is for dog, dog, hunch. E is for elephant, north. F is for fish, F, fish. G is for goat, G, goat. Cat. H is for hat, mutt. H. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. L is for lion, lion, girl. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for orange, orange. P is for parrot, parrot. Q is for queen, Q, queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, S. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, U, umbrella. V is for van, V, van. W is for watch, X is for x-ray, legs, x-ray. Y is for yellow, yellow. Z is for zebra, zebra. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? From A to Z, learning is as easy as can be. Yeah! Clap, clap. Choo-choo, here comes the train. Learning letters is our game. Climb aboard and sing with me. Let's explore our ABC. A is apple, shiny red. B is ball that bounce ahead. C is cat that says meow meow. Ride the train, let's learn it now. D is summer treat. J is jug, we pour some tea. K is kite, flying free. L is lion, loud and strong. Hear him roar along the song. M is monkey, swing, swing, swing. N is nest where birdies sing. O is orange, round and bright. Rolling, rolling, left and right. P is parrot, green and bright. Q is queen with crown so light. R is rabbit, hop, hop, hop. The ABC train never stops. S is sun that shines so high. T is tiger passing by. U is umbrella in the rain. Wave hello to the train. V is van that drives away. W is whale that loves to play. X is swaddle, ding, 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 ding. Tap the keys and sing, sing, sing. Y is yak on mountain snow. Z is zebra, watch it go. Now we learn from A to Z. Sing the song again with me. Choo-choo train is leaving now. We learned letters, take a bow.
Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe.
Come on kids, sing with me. Let's learn letters A to Z. Clap your hands and say the sound. Happy learning all around. A for apple, red and sweet. B for ball that loves to bounce. C for cat that says meow meow. D for dog that runs around. E for elephant, big and tall. F for fish that swims in blue. G for goat that jumps so high. H for hen that says cluck clue. I for ice cream, cold and nice. J for jeep that drives away. K for kite up in the sky. L for lion, loud and brave. M for mango, juicy yellow. N for nest up in a tree. O for orange, round and bright. P for parrot, green and free. Q for queen with shining crown. R for rabbit, hop, hop, hop. S for sun that lights the day. T for tiger, roar non-stop. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van that goes so far. W for watch that tick, tick, ticks. X for xylophone, guitar. Y for yak, so soft and slow. Z for zebra, black and white. Now we sang our ABC. See you soon, goodbye, good night.
Hey kids! Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon!
A is for alligator, alligator, alligator. B is for bear, bear, bear. C is for cat, cat, see, cat. D is for dog, dog, dog. E is for elephant, elephant, elephant. F is for fox, fox, fox. G is for giraffe, giraffe, giraffe. H is for horse, horse, horse. I is for iguana, iguana, iguana. J is for jellyfish, 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 jellyfish. K is for kangaroo, kangaroo, kangaroo. L is for lion, lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey and my monkey. N is for narwhal, narwhal and the narwhal. O is for ostrich, ostrich, oh ostrich. P is for panda, panda, panda. Q is for quail, quail, Q, quail. R is for rhino, rhino, R, rhino. S is for snake, snake is a snake. T is for tiger, tiger, tiger. U is for unicorn, unicorn, unicorn. V is for vulture, vulture, V, vulture. W is for whale, whale, whale. X is for x-ray fish, x-ray fish, x-ray fish. Y is for yak, 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 yak. Z is for zebra, 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 zebra.
Hi friends, don't forget to subscribe and join our happy learning family.
Hello friends, look who is here. It's the naughty duck. He wants to sing the ABCs with us. But whenever you see the duck, you have to say quack. Are you ready? Let's start. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That was easy. But look, the duck is back. A, B, C, quack, D, E, F, G, quack, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, quack, T, U, V, quack, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh my! He is hiding everywhere now. A, B, C, quack, D, E, F, G, quack, G, H, I, J, K, quack, L, M, N, O, P, quack, Q, R, S, quack, T, U, V, quack, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh my! He is hiding everywhere now. A, B, C, quack, D, E, D, E, F, quack, G, H, H, I, J, K, quack, L, M, N, O, P, quack, Q, R, S, T, U, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh no! It's a duck invasion. Can you keep up? Let's go super fast. A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Yay! Good job. See you next time, Mr. Duck. Quack!
Don't forget to subscribe my channel.
Okay, Sparky, let's sing the ABCs. Are you ready? All right, here we go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Shh, Sparky, let's sing it very quietly, like a little mouse. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Okay, Sparky, wake up! Let's sing it super fast and loud. Can you keep up? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, go! A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? Yay! We did it! Good boy, Sparky! Bye-bye! Bye-bye.
Don't forget to subscribe to my channel.
Let's learn our ABC. Come on, friends. 1, 2, 3, let's go!
A is for astronaut. Astronaut. A is for astronaut. A, astronaut. B is for balloon. Balloon. C is for cupcake. C, cupcake. D is for dinosaur. D, dinosaur. E is for engine. E, engine. Oh, ABC is fun to say. Learning letters every day. Sing with me, shout it out loud. Join the ABC happy crowd. F is for fire. F, fire. G sheep, have your wool today? Yes sir, I can share with you. One for the girl who has lost her favorite toy, and one for her brother to fill him with joy. Ba ba black sheep, do you have any more? Yes sir, a basket at the door. One for the baker for a cozy apron, so he won't get messy while baking his cakes. Ba ba black sheep, what's your wool for? Yes sir, I have some to give. One for the artist with colors so bright, and one for the blanket on a cold winter night. Ba ba black sheep, have you more for me? Yes sir, for a friend to see. One for the gardener to keep his hands warm, and one for the puppy to keep it safe from a storm. Ba ba black sheep, you are so kind. Thank you for all the wool we find. I'm glad that you share with the people you know. Your kindness is a gift that makes our hearts grow. Ba ba black sheep, do you have any more? Yes sir, a basket at the door. One for the baker for a cozy apron, so he won't get messy while baking his cakes.
The Rhyme Cartoon Club. The Rhyme Cartoon Club.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining bright near and far, up above the world so high, like a lantern in the sky. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, guiding children where they are. When the sun has gone to sleep and the night is calm and deep, stars are dancing in the blue, waving down and smiling too. Twinkle, twinkle, little light, keep us happy every night. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Twinkle makes the night so sweet. Close your eyes and make a wish. Stars will grant you happiness. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly where we are. Twinkle, twinkle, little star, shining brightly where we are.
The Rhyme Cartoon Club. The Rhyme Cartoon Club.
The happy bus goes zoom, 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 zoom. The happy bus goes zoom, 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 all through the town. The firefighter on the bus goes whoa, 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 whoa. The firefighter on the bus goes whoa, whoa, whoa. The firefighter on the bus goes whoa, 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 whoa. The firefighter on the bus goes whoa, 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 all through the town. The doctor on the bus says, how's your tummy? How's your tummy? How's your tummy? The doctor on the bus says, how's your tummy? All through the town. The mail carrier boy on the bus says, letters for you, letters for you, letters for you. The mail carrier on the bus says, letters for you, all through the town. The superhero on the bus, the superhero on the bus says, to the rescue, to the rescue. The superhero on the bus says, to the rescue, all through the town. Aw, dog on the bus. The dog on the bus says woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. Woof, woof, woof. The dog on the bus says woof, woof, woof. All through the town. The teacher on the bus says, welcome back to school. Back to school. Back to school. The teacher on the bus says, welcome back to school. All through the town.
The Rhyme Cartoon Club.